Hey friends, if you wish to turn off system restore in Windows, then it is very easy. Just watch this video. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on configure system restore. Click on configure. Now system protection is turned on, which means the system restore option is turned on. You will still need restore points, but at least the option is turned on. If you disable system protection, click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK once again. The system restore process will be disabled. You will not be able to restore your system, but the system restore points created earlier will still remain as they are. You can simply turn it on later. So I'll also teach you how to turn it on because you may need to do it at some stage. Go back to the recovery option, click on configure system restore, configure, turn on system protection, apply, OK. Okay, and then create a restore point once again just for safety. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.